Namaste students, myself Javier Anshika Kushwaha, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science. Today we will discuss about the topic harmful and useful effect of bacteria. So, in kingdom bacteria have many beneficial effects like nitrogen cycle. Bacteria critical to soil fertility converts ammonia to usable compounds, ammonia to nitrite and nitrite to nitrate. So certain bacteria makes food edible like vinegar, butter, cheese, yogurt and sourdough bread. Bacteria in industry. So there are many beneficial uses of bacteria in industry like bacteria used in sewage treatment, odor control and septic tank maintenance, and it digests organic material and waste. So there are very harmful effects of bacteria. Bacteria and disease. There are several diseases which are caused by bacteria like tuberculosis, listeriosis, Lyme disease, gonorrhea and meningitis. Streptococcus mutans which causes tooth decay. Clostridium botulinum which causes food poisoning. Next is Treponema pallidum which cause syphilis. So, listeriosis is a disease which is caused by gram-positive stain bacteria, and it is rare to find this kind of bacterial disease. It affects infants, elderly people that have their immune system compromised, like AIDS. It causes vomit, nausea, headache, fever, chills, diarrhea, loss of balance, and convulsions. It causes contaminated. It is caused by contaminated meat, dairy, fish, and vegetable products. Next is our Lyme disease, which is caused by Borrelia burgdorferi gram-negative strain bacteria. It is spread by tick bites. It is found in Europe, Asia, and North America, and bacteria is carried in mice. Tick bites mouse, and bacteria is transferred to tick. Tick then bites human. It causes fatigue, chills, fever, headache, muscles and joint pain. Next is our gonorrhea, which is also caused by bacterial disease. So there are very uh, harmful and beneficial effects of bacteria. So bacteria are unique microorganisms which is uh, which is have a number of varieties of physiological functions which are beneficial to human beings. However, bacteria can also be harmful and cause infection if translocated from gastrointestinal tract to the epithelial tissue. So, these are the basic harmful and effects of bacteria. So, in pathogens, bacteria causes pathogens. Like some microorganism has harmful effect, like bacteria. So they can cause many of diseases like I already told you. The bacterial disease examples are tuberculosis, cholera, and all this. So this is all about bacterial harmful effect. And next we will talk about bacterial useful effect. So useful activities is increase soil fertility. So plants do not have the efficiency of direct utilization of huge amount of atmospheric nitrogen. However, some free living and symbiotic bacteria are able to fix the free nitrogen to nitrogenous compound. So the bacteria are of following three categories. First is nitrifying bacteria, and the next is ammonifying bacteria, and next is nitrogen fixing bacteria. So there are two types of bacteria like symbiotic nitrogen fixer like rhizobium, which is found in root nodules, and next is free living fixers like clostridium and azotobacter. So they are also found in industrial importance like dairy industry, vinegar industry, butanol and acetone production, fiber retting, and curing of tea and tobacco. Next, they are also used in biological control of insect. Next, they are used in degradation of petroleum. They can decompose. They are used in the decomposition of dead animals. Also, bacteria are found in medicines. Like bacteria are the source of different antibiotics, and they are also used as serum and vaccines. Thank you.